Hello class 2. Today I am going to teach you English language. Now take out of your book and see in page number 22 describing words. Describing words is called what? Adjective. Okay. Adjectives. Describing words are called adjectives. A word that describes a noun is called a describing word. Describing words are also called adjectives. Adjectives tell us more about the noun. Words that tell us more about the noun are called describing words or adjectives. Adjective tell us more about the nouns like the shape of noun, the size of noun, the color of noun, age of noun, numbers, how many numbers of nouns, what the taste and how something feels. These are called adjectives. For example, now see in your book, here's some example for you. First example is my uncle's house, okay, is big in size. Here describing word is big. Okay, the word big is describing word, is describe the noun. Okay, the house is big. And second, the cat is small. The cat is small. How's the cat? Cat कैसी थी? Okay, cat is a small. Small is a describing word. Now, her dog is brown. Okay, he has a dog and the color of she has a dog and the color of her dog is brown. Brown is a describing word. Brown describe the noun. The noun is dog. Okay, and the word big, small, brown describe the noun. Here big describe the noun house. Here the small describing word describe the noun and the noun is cat. Here brown describe the noun dog. So they are called adjectives. Some more examples. I will tell you some more examples for you. For example, the coffee is hot. Here the coffee is noun and hot is adjective. Next, the sky is blue. It describes the noun sky and the adjective is blue. And the lights are bright. Okay, here the light is noun and the bright is describing word. Next, this book is this this book is interesting. Okay, yeah, this book is a story book. This book is a interesting book. Okay, interesting, here interesting is describing this book. Okay, and now degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison, adjective are based on 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Some adjectives are used to compare the quality of person, animal or thing. Sometimes we need to compare the things, animals. Okay, so we use this comparative degree. And degrees of comparison. Three kinds of degrees: positive degree, okay, positive degree, comparative degree and third is superlative degree. Look at the example. For example, Rohit is a smart boy. Okay, now here Rohit is a noun and the adjective is smart. Here we are talking about only Rohit. Rohit is a smart boy. Rahul is smarter than Rohit. Here we compare. Okay, here we use comparative degree because we are comparing two person, two boy each other. Okay, Rahul is smarter than Rohit. Okay, here we compare Rahul with Rohit. Okay, and who is more smarter? Rahul is more smarter than Rohit. Okay, Kamran is the smartest boy. Here the boy Kamran is smartest. He is smart all over the boy. Okay, and in the first sentence the adjective smart is used for Rohit as a single boy. Here Rohit is a single boy, we say that Rohit is a smart boy, but we compare to each other. Two person are there, we have to compare between one of them, so we use comparative degree and we say that he is not compared with any other boy. Okay, this form is adjective is known as when we he is not compared with any other boy, then we use positive degree and this is adjective. And when we in the second sentence the adjective smarter is used to compare between Rohit and Rahul, this form of adjective is known as comparative degree. Here smarter is the comparative degree of smart. Okay, here we use smarter. Okay, er, we add er in comparative degree. In the third sentence the adjective smartest is the used to compare among all the student of the school. Here smartest is the superlative degree of smart. Firstly, when we use smart in positive degree, smarter in comparative degree, and smartest. Is superlative degree. Here we add ER, and in superlative degree we add EST. Okay. Read the following example of positive degree. Mohit is a tall boy. Okay. Here we are only talking about Mohit. That's why we use only positive degree. Mohit is a tall boy. Nisha is a beautiful girl. When we compare Mohit with other boy, then we said that Mohit is taller than Amit. Okay. When we compare another girl with Nisha, then we say that Nisha is more beautiful, not beautifuler. We use here more beautiful. Okay. More beautiful than Anita. Okay. In positive degree, no comparison is made. A general statement about somebody or something is given. In positive degree, no comparison is made. General statement about somebody or something is given. Okay. Read the following example of comparative degree. Ankit is taller than Mohit. Here we are talking about two boys, Ankit and Mohit, and we say that Ankit is taller than Mohit. Comparative degrees are there. We are comparing with two boys. Riya is more beautiful than Nisha. Riya is more beautiful than Nisha. Okay. Important note. In comparative degree, only two things can be compared, and the word then is used after the comparative degree of the adjective. After the comparative degree, look at here, we use then. Okay. And read the following example of superlative degree. Sumit is the tallest boy in the class. Sumit is the tallest boy. Okay, we add here EST in superlative degree. And Simran is most beautiful then. Okay, not beautifulest. Okay, we use here most beautiful girl in school. Simran is most beautiful girl in the school. And in superlative degree, more than two things are compared, and the word is the is used before the superlative degree. Here in comparative degree we compare with two person, but in superlative degree we compare more than two things or two persons. That's why we use superlative degree, and in superlative degree we use the, okay, before the superlative degree. Here some adjectives are there with comparative and superlative degree. Read it and learn it. Okay, adjective and with the comparative and superlative degree. The following are comparative and superlative degree. Positive, clever, is adjective and positive degree. Okay, comparative, and superlative. Clever, cleverer. In comparative degree we use cleverer, and superlative degree we use cleverest. Okay, and dark is positive degree, darker is comparative degree, and darkest is superlative degree. Dry is positive degree, Dryer. Here we change Y with I. Okay, dryer and driest. Next, easy, easier. Here, see here we use Y with I. Okay, we change Y with I. Easier, easiest. This is the easiest verb. Much. Remember this, much, more, most. Okay, the comparative degree of much is more and the superlative degree of much is most. Fine, finer, finest. Okay. Can I rub it? Learn it, okay? Learn it properly. Good. The superlative degree of, the comparative degree of good is good, better, best. Okay, learn it. Good, better, and the superlative degree of good is best. I am the best. Sometimes you say that I am the best. And if we are compare with two person, I am better than he, I am better than she. Okay, and next is great, great, greater, greatest. Happy, happier, happiest. Same Y we convert Y with EI. Okay, vice, vicer, vicest, long, longer, longest, bright, brighter, brightest, hot, hot. Here hot is positive degree, hottest, double T. We use hotter and hottest, double T, hottest. In superlative degree. Big, bigger, biggest. We use double G here, and bad, worse, worst. Okay, bad. The positive degree is bad. The comparative degree of bad is worse. The worst condition. Okay, and the worst. Very bad condition. The situation is worst. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, here same we use most, more intelligent, most intelligent. Okay. Brave, braver, bravest. Large, larger, largest, and lazy, lazier, laziest. Okay. I will give you some more examples of comparative and superlative degrees. For example, when we are talking about if we are talking about one boy, okay, Nayan is a clever boy. Okay, Nayan is clever boy. Here we are talking about only one person, one noun, Nayan, and Nayan is a clever boy. Positive degree is there. Okay. When we are talking about two boys, Farhan is clever, cleverer than. In comparative degree we use then. Okay, we write er in positive adjective word. Okay. Then who? Nayan. Comparative degree is there. And Srinath is the, in superlative degree we use the before superlative degree, the cleverest, boy. Okay, he is clever all over the boy. And next, more example. For example, that is a tall building. That is a, we are talking about only one building, so we say that this is a tall building. When we are talking, we are comparing between two buildings, that then we say that the building there is taller than this. Taller than this. In comparative superlative degree, the building at the end of the street is the tallest. Now you understand what is so positive degree, what is comparative degree, and what is superlative degree. Learn this chapter and do more and more exercise and learn this comparative, superlative and positive degree. I will send you worksheet. Okay, now bye and take care everyone. Class 2.